First tip is when you are driving on the road, you will see the left side. The cyclist is also riding. So whenever you are turning left, so please make sure stop vehicle. Can check your side mirror, center mirror, your shoulder. There is no pedestrian, there is no cyclist, and then you have to turn left or right. Otherwise, there is always possibility there is someone pedestrian walking, crossing the road. There is a cyclist. So it is quite important to take care. As you will see, there is a female having kid with her as well. So you have to be precautionary about the cyclist. You have to drive away from the cyclist. It is quite common in Japan. So they have the priority irrespective there is a lane of cyclist or not. So there is a possibility that on the left side there is a cyclist. Please take care whenever you are turning, especially left, or you are going straight even. Then you have to keep monitoring your surroundings and movement of the people. And this green signal means you can go either direction, straight, left or right. For going right, you can approach in the middle of the junction, and whenever you find there is no vehicle from the other side, you can turn to the right direction. Some people, as you will see, the light is on. Some people they turn on the light just like showing they are in a hurry, or kind of just warning to the traffic ahead. As you will see, this vehicle is going to turn right. So they came into the junction, and whenever they find space they can turn right. And the next corner there is a police corner. This is called Koban, and it is quite common. You will find various locations in this Koban area. There are always one or two police officers there inside the Koban, and if you need any kind of help, assistance, guidance, information, so they are quite helpful. As you will see, if I am going to turn from here left, there is a cyclist. First the cyclist and pedestrian, they have the priority, then my turn. And now you will see the cyclist is also riding parallel to the traffic. So we have to monitor and take care of the cyclist.
Turn right.
Here signal is red, we have to stop, of course. And now signal is green. In the junction, I have to see there is no pedestrian on the right side, shoulder and a mirror. Then I
in 200 meters, turn left.
This is as you will see in Tokyo and all over the Japan, the minor streets, small streets, speed limit is 30 km/h. However, on the main street, about 40 to 60
turn
km.
Left.
The speed limit is 40 to 60 km. And from here I will be going left. The process of turning left is indicator first, left side indicator is on. And when I am going to approach in the junction, I have to see the center mirror, left mirror and shoulder, that there is no pedestrian crossing that passage. I approached here, center mirror I monitor, left and shoulder there is no one, I will move on.
In 400
So this
meters,
way,
turn right.
if I am going to turn right, I have to follow the same detail. And whenever there is a pedestrian trying to cross the road, they have the priority. If they step, they are about to cross, then we should stop for them and let them pass the road, and then our turn. In the Tokyo, there are numerous signals. You will see a bundle of crossing on each street. It is quite hard to drive in the Tokyo, especially on the local routes. But anyway, there is no rash driving mostly in the Japan. People are driving quite smoothly, calmly, so they do not really make you confused during the driving.
Turn right.
Again from here I have to turn right. I turned on indicator. The traffic is coming. I will stay here until the cross, and when I find the space I can turn right. I think he gave me passage, so I find space, I came to the right direction.
In 600
Please.
meters, turn right.
Please keep in mind, when you are turning right, you have to check again all these 3 steps. First, center mirror, left mirror and shoulder. And during the driving test they are monitoring this, otherwise the signal on the left direction is signage. It means like more than 2-ton truck cannot enter in this street. It is prohibited more than 2-ton trucks on this street. On the right side you will see the signal. So this is a one-way road, only one directional flow, and from here we have to turn right. I turned on the indicator. Whenever I will find a space, I will go approach to the middle of the junction. Will see right direction, mirror, shoulder, there is no pedestrian crossing. Then I will cross the road and I will go right. This way you have to turn left, indicator of the left direction, then center mirror, left mirror and shoulder, and then you have to go left. Please note, whenever you are turning left or right, you have to reduce your speed significantly. Make sure you are approaching quite slow and monitor your surrounding properly. And this green marking on both sides is normally for the cyclist and pedestrian walking. Sometime wherever there is a school or educational or kind of kindergarten, you will find this marking,
Turn right.
and kids, they are walking on that area, so they spare a significant portion for the kids. Now you will see I'm approaching to the right, going right. I will stop here. There is no one, there is no pedestrian. I can go to the right direction. So we are right now in the Tokyo area, and we will be showing you the Tokyo traffic, Tokyo infrastructure. The speed limit of this road is 50 km/h, and this lane specifically is prioritized for the trucks. And these are the local roads, and you will see the Tokyo infrastructure. This is just start or beginning where the buildings are not quite tall, comparatively less height of a building in this area. This green color signboard is indicating the expressway entry. On the various locations, the expressway entry is provided. And this bridge here, the speed limit is 50 km/h, and the yellow marking between the 2 lanes means we cannot change
500 meters,
our lane
slight
here.
left.
We cannot go from right to left or left to right. This lane you have to move on straight. And if we caught during the changing lane in this yellow line, it means there is a penalty of 8,000 yen, and secondly you
left,
will get the deduction
turn
of 2
left.
points. We crossed the yellow lane, we came on this side, and from the signal we have to go left. That's why I turned on the indicator. And there is, as you will see again, the
Turn left.
green color indication is expressway entry. From here, this is a free passage, so there is no signal for turning left people. There is a cyclist, he is willing to cross. Then I stop here. It is called Tomare. Again I will approach the next portion. I will stop here. I will see the traffic from right direction. There is no traffic, I can turn left. From in Tokyo and Japan, you will see time to time the vehicles stopping on the side of the road, and these are also being evaluated during the test. So please take care of those vehicles as well. Those are stopping at the road with double indicator, sometime with